Hi, my name is Bill. I was in Jacksonville, Florida about a week ago on Interstate 95 when I lost the brakes on the RV I was driving. It's a road trek, but it sits on a 2013 Sprinter chassis. I called Mercedes of Jacksonville. Jennifer, who received my call, was very worried about our safety. Booked us a 9 o'clock appointment for the next morning. We connected with Camille in the service department. She was amazing. She got the rig in at 9 as noted. And by 10 o'clock we had an evaluation and the part was ordered. The part arrived at around noontime, and even though the book said the job was going to be 6 hours, by 5 o'clock it was wrapped up and we were out the door. Absolutely amazing. Great service. Paul cooked us a wonderful meal in the waiting area, and we would highly recommend the dealership to anyone else.